Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Chapter number 4, Algebraic Expression and Algebraic Formulas. The first topic which we have to define: variable and constant. A variable is a symbol which represents the elements of a non-empty set. For example, when a is equal to x such that x belongs to n and x less or equal to 10, x is a natural number from 1 to 10. Is the value of x is subject to change, it is called a variable. The word vary means change. A variable x is a symbol which change its value. The value of the natural number remains unchanged, so it is called constant. A constant does not change its value, it remains always same. Coefficient and exponent. A constant number when multiplied with only a variable term is called coefficient of that variable. For example, in 5x cube, 5 is called coefficient of x cube and 3 is called the exponent or index or power of the variable. The next topic is algebraic expression. An expression which consists of variable and constant connected by algebraic operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are called algebraic operation. Or root extraction or rising integrals or fractional powers is called an algebraic expression. Degree of an algebraic expression. The largest exponent of the variables involved in an expression is called the degree of the expression. Now, what is called term? Different parts of an algebraic expression joined by the operation of addition or subtraction is called term of an algebraic expression, or the quantity which is separated by the operation of addition or subtraction is called term of an algebraic expression. What is compound expression? An expression consisting of two or more terms is called compound expression. And compound expressions, there are many types of compound expression. There is monomials. Monomial is an algebraic expression having only one term. Binomial is an algebraic expression having two terms only, and trinomial is an algebraic expression having three terms. So these are the types of compound expression. Next, what is polynomial expression? An expression of the form p of x is equal to a naught x power n plus a1 x power n minus 1 up to plus an, where n is positive integer or 0. This is the mathematical form of polynomials. Or in short, we say that an algebraic expression is said to be a polynomial if the power of the variable is positive or the power of the variables belongs to whole numbers. Next, rational expression. An expression of the form p of x divide q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial and q of x is not equal to 0 is called rational expression. And this is just like rational numbers. But in this, p of x and q of x must be a polynomials, and we define above that what is polynomials. Irrational expression. Similarly, an expression which cannot be written in the form of p of x or q of x, where p of x and q of x are polynomial and q of x not equal to 0 is called irrational expression. If q of x is equal to 0, then what will happen? Then it gives a result undefined. And when the result is undefined, then there is nothing to else. So q of x not be equal to 0. Thanks. God bless you all.